You want me to check?
Yeah, I've got
The red dot. The movie. That one.
Oh, it's a movie.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I just let the red light keep going.
Yeah, that's all you do.
Oh.
Careful. You've got sound too. So I'm just taking the ducts down. Get ready to catch up.
Cool.
Good. Still some ducting attached. There we go.
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay, one down.
Right, yep.
3 altogether. Thanks, John.
What do I do now? Yep.
Just get it in.
Put it on.
I'm just going to put this board up above here to patch a hole up. It'll provide good strength so it's not going to come back down again. Okay, forget.
Okay.
Okay. Start. I'll make a strong job of it. Okay, we'll move around to the next one. fill it up a bit more. We'll work in from the edges. We're using CSR Cornice Cement, which I find is about the best. Okay, we'll move on. To get a bit of speed up to get it to stick there. Okay. Just have to mix a bit more up now. Okay, just get a little bit more. Just get a bit of speed up there to get it to stick up there upside down. And back up at the end of the stroke, back off a bit. Okay, I'll take up it, just scrape it back flat a bit, the back of the trowel. Now as it's setting, you scrape it back and shape it up. You don't want to let it go too hard. And just float over those edges just a little bit. Let that take up a bit more. Okay.
Go.
Yeah. Okay, we'll let that take up a bit. Okay, it's just gone like butter. It's about that hard, but you don't want it any harder. We'll scrape it back flat. The back of a trowel. Just go a little bit past the jump. Okay. I'm just ready to put another coat on. starting to take shape now. Okay, we'll come back and scrape that off.
Right, you're on.
Thanks. Okay, it's got like hard butter, see? Maybe a little bit harder. Okay. Float it a little bit over it, try and flatten it. And float it a little bit onto the paint right there. Okay. Okay, we'll come back in a little, about 5-10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Okay. Yep, back.
Okay, we'll scrape it back again. There's less to scrape off as you get towards the end. Come out pretty flat. Just get a bit of plaster. Okay, we'll leave that go for 5 minutes and come back and scrape it again. It's pretty flat. This is a light float. A 6-inch scraper can be used, but the towel is probably a better job if you can use it. Okay, that's good. Okay, we're just coming up to the last. It's feeling pretty flat. A bit of heat there from its setting. With the final scrape back. There's not much coming off it now. Let's get to the plaster. Coming up to the polishing off stage now. A bit more pressure and not so much floating. Just come out a touch further each time so it doesn't build up. Good. Okay, just scrape this back. Come out quite flat now. Get about that much off. There. It's come out quite good. The way to test it's for the back of your hand. It's doing reasonably smooth, but a little bit more polishing off and that'll be finished. Okay, we'll scrape this back. Okay, finish it off. There's virtually nothing to scrape off now. Just a little bit I did just before. It wasn't much. We put a bit of water on. Normally we splash, but this bookcase is here. So just to polish it up we use water. The trowel glides over it better. Coming out quite smooth there. Better do when it's dry, but let's check it. Okay, we'll just keep it going, John, if you can. We'll just move on to the next one next door. Just move next door. Okay. Bit we can take off this one. Alright. Pretty close to finish that. We'll just move it next door. Okay, thanks, John. I'll keep it going if you like, thanks.
Yep.
Yes. Oop. One I'll just float up a little bit more before I use the water. I'll get a little bit more flat in the centre. Yeah, floating is just when you're leaving a little bit more on with your trowel to flatten it out a little bit. It's a softer push, but a bit of a more of an angle that way on the trowel. So, okay, thanks, John. We're just coming up to the final polish. It's quite pretty smooth now already. Run the brush around it. important to feather the edges into the paintwork. You want your build up on that paintwork. What looks like a nice feathered plaster. Yeah, it's a greater angle when you're polishing, not like that when you're floating. When you're polishing, you can hold it less angle. Okay, that's pretty good. I'll move next door for keep it down, John. And then where it joins the paint. Across the middle. Any build up there, get that off. Okay, that's pretty well. That's pretty close to finished there. I'll come back and give it a final polish in a little while.